is my town. In my town, there are streets. In my street, there are houses. In my house, there are rooms. In my room, there is a bed. On the bed, there's a basket. In the basket, there are some flowers. Flowers in a basket, basket on the bed, bed in the room, room in the house, house in the street, street in the town. My name is Cherry.
With love from India.